Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the answers for the Dead Sea Scrolls. Let's jump to the first question. Question number 1. Heard a noise of breaking when one teenager threw a. We're going to find something that was thrown by a teenager. One teenager threw a. But before we search for this, we need to be sure where we are going to actually find our answers. So we're going to first look at 1946, 1947, and a noise. In our first paragraph, 1946, 1947 is in the first line, and noise, we have a shattering sound in the fourth line. According to the passage, this teenager threw a rock. Our answer to question number 1 is rock. For question number 2, we have teenagers went into the. They went into. According to the question, they went into the cave. They entered the cave. For question number 2, our answer is cave. For question number 3, we are looking for a number of containers made of. The containers were made of. Containers are jars, and these are clay jars. So these containers are made of clay. For question number 4, before we actually find question number 4, we need to find these two numbers or these two years in the passage, and after that we are looking for something that means a group of people. According to question number 4, the word represents the name of the group of people. This is our first clue, and we are looking for the name of people, a group called Essenes. Our answer is Essenes. E-S-S-E-N-E-S. Essenes. For question number 5, we are looking for the language. According to question number 5, we are looking for the name of the language, and in this paragraph our Dead Sea Scrolls are in Hebrew with some fragments written in an ancient version of its alphabet, which means Hebrew is a language. If you don't know, Hebrew belongs to people who are from Judaism. The answer for question number 5 is Hebrew. H-E-B-R-E-W. Let's look at the next question. We are looking at Bedouin teenagers, and they were disappointed about the money. Bedouin teenagers disappointed money. If you read the first paragraph, you will find that these 3 Bedouin teenagers went into the market and went into the town and sold the items they found in the cave. But the paragraph itself never says anything about what they felt after selling those items. So for question number 6, since we do not know the reaction of these teenagers, our answer is not given. For question number 7, we are going to look at the agreements among the academics about the origin. We have origin of Dead Sea Scrolls, and we have scholarly, which means academic. According to this sentence, it says the origin of the Dead Sea Scrolls, which were written around 2000 years ago, between 150 BCE and 70 CE, is still the subject of scholarly debate even today. According to the first sentence of the second paragraph, we know for sure that they are still debating about the origin of the Dead Sea Scrolls. So this is quite opposite to what is given in the passage, so our answer is false. Let's look at the next question. Most of the books of the Bible written on the scrolls are incomplete. Bible and incomplete. Let's search for these two things in the passage. In the first sentence of the fourth paragraph, we have the word Bible. The Dead Sea Scrolls include fragments from every book of the Old Testament of the Bible except for the book of Esther. The only entire book of Hebrew Bible preserved among the manuscripts from Qumran is Isaiah. So according to the passage, according to this specific sentence, it says that they have only one book that is complete and every other book are in pieces or in fragments, which actually matches with the statement from question number 8. Most of the books of the Bible written on the scrolls are incomplete, which is exactly what the passage says. So our answer is true. For question number 9, we are going to look at copper scrolls. The information on the copper scroll is written in an unusual way. On the 5th paragraph, we have copper scrolls. Let's look at this sentence. The only exception is the scroll number 3Q, which was created out of a combination of copper and tin. One is the copper scroll. This curious document features letters chiseled into metal, perhaps as some Prices on the terrace to better weekend. The passes are one of the most intriguing landscapes in Finland. This is a sort of ancient cradle, not that least dozens of women information spelling. In this part of the paragraph, we can see unconventional vocabulary and odd spelling. This is related to copper scroll, and this is denoted by it, which references copper scroll. This matches with the sentence from question number 9. The information on the copper scroll is written in an unusual way, which means unconventional vocabulary and odd spelling. So our answer for question number 9 is true. Let's look at question number 10. We have Mark Samuel gift. Mark Samuel was given some of the scrolls as a gift. Let's find Mark Samuel. The name Mark Samuel is in the 6th paragraph of the passage. According to the passage, we can see that he acquired 4 of the original 7 scrolls by paying less than $100 for them, which means he bought them. Rather than receiving them as a gift, he bought those scrolls. So our answer is false. For question number 11, we are going to again match 1950 and US. In the early 1950s, a number of educational establishments in the US were keen to buy scrolls from Mark Samuel. He then traveled to United States and unsuccessfully offered them to a number of universities. Which is quite opposite to what question number 11 is saying. So this is also false. For question number 12, we are looking at 2017, 1,000 years, Qumran. Actually, we cannot take Qumran because I think this is the city in the past, which may not be mentioned in the passage. So we'll just take 2017, 2000, and we're going to look at some of the annual occasions. We have 2017 in the last paragraph, and we do not have 2000 years, but we do have 2 yearly religious events. We have 2 yearly religious events in the passage, and the scroll that was pieced together in 2017 contains information about annual occasions in the Qumran area 2000 years ago. The scroll names celebrations that indicate shifts in seasons and details 2 yearly religious events. For question number 12, our answer is true because according to the passage, there are 2 religious events that were celebrated yearly mentioned in the scrolls. Next is University of Haifa. Academics at the University of Haifa are currently researching how to decipher the final scroll. We are going to look at University of Haifa and we are going to see if they are researching the final scroll. In the last paragraph, we have only one more scroll remains untranslated, but they never say anything about if the university is working actively to research this, which means we do not know for sure they are currently researching or not. So our answer will be not given. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this is helpful for you. And if you want to see more of this kind of contents, like and subscribe. Bye bye.